Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Stripe with PayPal detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Stripe with PayPal, start by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. From the dashboard, look for the settings option in the bottom left corner. Click on settings to access your account settings. Next, in the settings menu, find the API keys section. You will need your published and secret keys from this section. Make a note of these keys as you will need them later. Now, open a new tab and log into your PayPal account. Once you are logged in, go to the Developer section on the PayPal site. In the Developer section, locate and click on My Apps and Credentials. Now, find the option to create a new app. Click on Create App and provide a name for your app. Once the app is created, you will see your client ID and secret. Make a note of these credentials as well. Now, return to your Stripe account. Go back to the Settings section and find the Webhooks option. Click on Webhooks and then Add Endpoint. You will need to enter the URL for your PayPal webhook. This URL can usually be found in your PayPal developer account under the app details. Next, select the event types you want to receive from PayPal. These might include successful payments or chargebacks. After configuring the event types, save the changes. Now, go back to your PayPal account. In the app details, find the option to add return URLs. These URLs direct users back to your site after payments. Enter the necessary return URLs for successful and canceled transactions. Save these settings to complete the PayPal configuration. Return to your Stripe dashboard and proceed to test the connection. Use the test credentials provided by both Stripe and PayPal. Verify that transactions are being processed correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.